Today, I'm going to talk about some challenges in developing computer vision algorithms for networked cameras. This is not about how to build better algorithm or how to increase the accuracy or performance of your algorithm. Instead, I'd like to provide you some practical guidance, practical advice to overcome those challenges, especially when you want to take those algorithms to the product quality. First, I will show you overflow of algorithm development and explain some various challenges, such as high-level algorithm design and data acquisition, hardware optimization, and continuous update. First, take a look at the overflow of algorithm design. So starting from the requirement, we will survey existing works to understand what's the state of the art and to see what other people have done to solve the problem. And in parallel, we gather dataset, because dataset gathering takes a long time. And after gathering dataset, we can only start developing algorithms. So among some approaches that we surveyed, we select some of them and implement some proof of concepts to understand how they actually work. After we understand pros and cons of each approach, then we pick one. And based on that, we develop algorithm. As you can see, it's a highly iterative process, develop and train, evaluate. And by this time, we realized we need a lot more data sets. So continue to gather more data set. And after we have initial algorithm developed, we optimize for performance and make API to the integration and validation before we finally deploy. So in each step of algorithm development process, we have some challenges. Let's talk about each of them one by one.